Princess Toy Review.
Hi kids, it's Evan.
Hi guys, it's Sharky.
Hi friends and princesses, Captain America. What are we gonna be doing today, Sharky?
I don't know, but it looks like you guys have some delicious Happy Meals.
Let's eat our Happy Meals.
Yay!
Let's go ahead and take a look what's inside that Happy Meal.
Okay. All right.
Okay, we have Johnny from Sing,
I have peanuts.
apple juice,
Chocolate milk.
some fries,
Some apple slices.
and chicken nuggets,
Ooh, fries.
and some sauce, and the final product, the yogurt.
A McDouble. And all the scrap fries.
I got one scrap fry. I had two scrap fries.
Ooh, that looks really good. What's in my Happy Meal? Alright kids, let's take a look in my Happy Meal. Oh boy, that looks delicious. First, I see a yogurt. With a strawberry one. Strawberry, my favorite. Next, I see some chicken nuggets. Ooh, take a look at that. That's also my favorite. And I see some delicious fries. Oh, nom, 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 nom. Yes, fries. And let's take a look at my toy. Oh boy, what is this? It looks like it's from the movie Sing.
Ooh, let's open our toys first.
Yes.
Here, you go first.
Okay. It's Johnny from the movie Sing.
Ooh.
What does he do? So you get his leg and you can like move it to the.
Ooh, my turn.
Okay.
We have Minnie from Sings. Look at this cute little elephant. And I think she's supposed to sing. I have to turn it on from the back and clap.
Oh!
Ooh.
Alrighty kids, let's go ahead and open my toy. Yeah. Ooh, look, I got Miss Crawly from Sing. I think she crawls. Let's see. So it's a wind-up toy. Let's see if I can wind her up. There we go. Ooh, look at her go! Go, Miss Crawly! Go, Miss Crawly! Go!
Okay, so go.
Yeah. Punch everything. Oh no! I punched her so hard she sings! Oh! Miss Crawly's not crawling anymore! Let's go ahead and open our food!
Yes.
Got a McDouble.
Got my nuggets and some sour sauce.
Cheese, 2 patties, some pickles. Need something extra. There we go. What else do we have, Evan?
That's all we have. Fries, yogurt.
You want a race? your chicken nuggets versus my burger?
I'm always gonna win. Look how little these are.
Oh, you're gonna win?
Ooh, a race. Let's see who can eat their meal the fastest. Captain America has to eat his burger, and Evan has to try to finish off his chicken and nuggets. Let's see who can do it first.
Are you ready?
Yep.
You want to
Ready?
open your other sauce?
Ready, set, go! Oh my gosh, Captain America already devoured half of the burger!
Oh my goodness.
Delicious.
Ooh, Evan's eating 2 chicken nuggets at a time! And Captain America somehow ended up with a chicken nugget! Captain America's feeling the repercussions of eating quickly. Maybe Evan will win this race. Slow and steady. Or maybe not.
Oh.
Captain America still has to swallow to make sure he's the winner. Evan might have time here.
Okay, I'll help you. You only have one more to go.
Well, it looks like Captain America is the winner!
Ah,
Evan, you were almost done.
I ate 2 of his nuggets. Let's eat our fries.
Yeah.
Ooh, that looks really good.
Mm-hmm.
I had a piece stuck in between my teeth. I didn't know that.
Fries taste really good in sweet and sour sauce. You almost done there, buddy?
No,
Man, I'm thirsty.
you too.
These fries are dry. Ooh, let's open our drinks.
Yeah.
Some chocolate milk. Always shake it before you open it. It tastes better. Delicious.
Amazing.
Are you done? So am I.
Ooh, what's for dessert?
Go-gurt.
Yogurt?
Go-gurt! Ooh, let's see who can eat their yogurt the fastest.
Me.
No.
Who's gonna win, kids? Will it be Evan or will it be Captain America? Let's see.
Are you ready?
Get ready, get set, go! Wait, are you done already?
Yeah.
Oh! Captain America is the winner and Evan was so close! Good job, everyone! What did I get for my dessert?
I think you got apples.
Nummy apples! Can you open it for me, please?
There you go.
Delicious.
If you want more Princess Playtime, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye,
Bye,
Prince and
Prince and
Princesses!
Bye!